Hey guys, just wanted to share a little news with you. Haven't talked in a long time, but I just wanted to review something that I got in a giveaway recently, and it's actually something I was really looking forward to and hoping I could get, and I manifested it and it happened, and that is actually the ice barrel. And this is it. We just started filling it. Yeah, we're really excited. Shout out Restore in Boulder. It's amazing. I go there for cryotherapy now. I actually went with my sister in a vendor market and we just hit it up and dunked in and we won the giveaway. So thank you guys for that. That was amazing. This is such a great thing to get, and I'm gonna use it every day after a run. So I'm really excited. But I'm gonna give you guys more in-depth review. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit before, because we can't move it once it starts filling up. It's 55 pounds when it's not filled, but once it's filled, it's 750 pounds with 80 gallons, I believe, which is pretty heavy, and I don't think I can lift that and move it around. So we chose this spot because I wanted it in the apartment, and outside the apartment is a little different, and I don't want that, so I just wanted it in here because I really like the ice barrel. But yeah, we'll get into it a little bit more. Yeah, we just started filling it up like a while ago. It's been taking a while, so if you guys have a hose, I think it can hook up to the bottom right here. Right here, where you can also let out water. But we have a pretty ghetto setup going on right here. We've been trading off from the sink, from the good old sink. As you can see, we don't have a nice hose or anything, so yeah, that's the only problem right now. But I'm sure if you guys have something good at home, then it'd be good. But yeah, we'll get more into it later. All right, so I'm gonna talk a little bit more about the ice barrel. Actually, a couple weekends ago, my sister came up for the weekend, and we went to Boulder, Colorado. We're in Longmont right now, but we went to Boulder it was like a vendor market, and there was all these cool little shops set up, and it was really cool to see. But one that really piqued my interest was Restore. It was Restore Hyper Wellness in Boulder, and I actually have a month membership there now. They do cryotherapy, heat, they do compression, they do pretty much anything that you need to get yourself better. I've been going there and I really enjoy it, so shout out them for this whole thing. And they're actually really nice there, really nice people. So go check them out if you're in the area. But I just wanted to talk about the ice barrel. It's something that I was really hoping you could sign up for the giveaway by just getting in and jumping in the ice barrel, and I did that the first time without my sister, and then she wanted to do it, so we did it together. And then I was just really intrigued by the whole thing, and I love talking to the people there. They're very nice people. So I actually got to meet the CEO of Ice Barrel, Wyatt Ewing. Wyatt was super cool and told me everything about it. And I was just very intrigued by the whole story of Ice Barrel and just even Restore. And they're just a cool company in general. But I've always taken ice baths after runs, whether it be you have to fill up a whole tank, fill up a tub, get your own ice. But this is a lot better, as in the summer you gotta fill it up with, depending on where you are, but about 80 pounds of ice. But you could fill it up with water and then put in 80 pounds of ice and leave it for a week probably, instead of filling up a bathtub every day and buying ice like that. And this is, I don't know what it is, but even just dunking in, we dunked in for like maybe a minute, and usually my ice baths are 10 minutes. I think this is because it's more isolated, which is really cool, and I got out so much more refreshed than I usually do from a normal ice bath. It's just such a good feeling, and I don't know what to compare it to, because it does not feel like a normal ice bath, but it feels better and you feel more recovered after. This product actually does retail at $1,200, which is a pretty steep price, but I think if you have the money, people probably say, oh, why don't you get a garbage can? I saw that in a lot looking at it, but I think this is a lot better as they found the right material to use. The ice barrel is actually made from roto molding technology, which is what Wyatt tested out for many years using different prototypes to see what the best type of ice barrel would be to actually make it so you could keep water in and isolated for a good amount of time. The really nice thing about this ice bath, I would say, is if you're anything in fitness or you own a gym or something like that, this is definitely a must need. You can just have it inside. I have it inside my apartment right now, which seems kind of dumb, but I just don't trust it outside here that much. And I'd love to just get in from a run and hop right in. So it actually weighs 55 pounds when it's not full, which is really nice. You can take it, if you have a truck, you can just take it to cool events or even to a friend's house for a barbecue or something if you want to just have a nice dunk and fill it up with a hose or whatever you decide to do. It's just a really easy movable thing compared to a normal ice bath, which is much bigger and it's just not as convenient, I guess. But this ice bath, you want to choose the right spot because we wanted to make sure we knew the spot because it actually can hold 105 gallons of water, but you only want to put it up to about 70%, which is 80 gallons of water. And at that, it's about 750 pounds. And unless you can carry that amount of weight, I would say put it in a spot that you want and know before actually filling it up. It is pretty easy to remove water from it. It's got a little nozzle on the bottom I can show you. But this is a great product and I definitely recommend getting it. I'm so thankful for Restore for having me win the giveaway. I don't know what I'd do, but they're so nice and so great there, and just wanted to make sure to shout them out. And Ice Barrel, I'm so excited because after every run, and this will last for years and years to come, hopefully my kids and more can just always hop in and use the ice bath. But if you haven't yet, make sure to like and subscribe down below. Love making this content for you. Send me anything that you want me to review or to do anything with. I'd love to do that. I got a couple shoe reviews coming. I've been running a lot more recently and I'll get a couple of those videos out, but I just haven't been recording as much. Just been enjoying my time out in Colorado. It's amazing out here. Get out here if you can. But that's about all for today. It's a great product. So many different things come from this. You can relieve stress, anxiety, anything. Love you guys very much. Make sure to subscribe down below. Like that button up. Make sure to freeze that like button actually. Shout out Ice Barrel, shout out Restore, and shout out Colorado, honestly. Been a great time out here and hopefully to see you guys out here soon. Love you. All right guys, we just went to King Supers. Shout out Colorado, King Supers, goated. And had 16-pound bags of ice. So we're gonna toss that in here right now because we've been waiting a couple of days to get ice because there's an ice shortage for some reason. Can't just melt water or freeze water. I've been putting in ice every day at different times. Okay, I'm gonna put in 3 big bags of 16 pounders. We get nice and cold. Ooh, yeah. Ice sitting on top. I just did cryotherapy and stuff, but I don't know if this is dumb. But first day of ice, so you gotta try it. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna hop in for like 5 minutes. My first attempt at this. I haven't done it since the first day when it was that one vendor market, but here we go. Start my timer, as you can see. Whew. Get down. And you're gonna wanna breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. Controlled breaths. because that is the best. All right, guys, it's been about 3 minutes. I just wanted to dunk in. I already did cryotherapy today, so I'm already cold. But I'm gonna hop out right now. But before that, you guys gotta get a little dunk, a little dip and dunk. Shout out Ant, dip and dunk. You're gonna go in, breathe out. And that's how you do it. Grab your towel. Get a little dry. Hop out. Then you're gonna wanna go outside and get that nice warmth. As we have it inside, don't wanna get it too wet in here. But it's gorgeous out, so you wanna get your heat on you, get the sun on you, always feel that sun. You're gonna get nice and dry and just let your body naturally heat up, because that's the best way to get all the bad things out of your body. You wanna get the bad things out. But this is the review. I just wanted to show you guys. Shout out Restore, shout out Isaac actually, he's a goat. Thank you, shout out Ant. We going doing big things. Love you all. See ya.